Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Ethereum. I wanted to do a full technical overview of Ethereum. I think we'll start with the fundamentals though. I wanted to talk about that as well. Obviously for Ethereum we have the Shanghai upgrade coming up very soon, but perhaps it's even more important that in 2 days we'll have the new inflation rates numbers coming out for the US, which usually makes the market move a lot, as most of you know. But apart from that, there's also still the big news of USDC. Will it repeg to the dollar, or is it going to crash? So we'll talk about that as well. But yeah, that's just wanted to give you a full overview. What to expect later today, what to expect tomorrow. Sunday is always a pretty difficult time to analyze Ethereum, and right now in general it's also kind of at a weird place. But I'll do my best. So before we get into it, I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links in the pinned comment or description. There you'll also find trade results if you want to see them. And you can always ask around from people who are part of the Signal group if it's any good. All right, but now let's talk about USDC and Ethereum. So USDC is still depegged. I expect this to repeg tomorrow. Tomorrow all of the banks open again, which will hopefully allow Circle to redeem some of their short-term bonds, get some cash, inject that cash into USDC, and therefore make it pegged again to the dollar. That's what I expect. They still have a lot of cash. Most of it is not at banks that have fallen, such as the SVB. So it should be all right, but I think the market has also calculated that in a little bit already. That's also why I think yesterday we were fairly bullish. Yesterday, what you saw is that we took a break retest off of 1410, or not really a break kind of a break retest, but a second one off of the support. And from there we rallied. And what you can see right now, I mean, what we did do ultimately is we broke above this 0.5 fib, which is a pretty strong fib level. There's also kind of a key level around that, around 1450. So in general, technically, I would say there's too much resistance. I think the overall trend in the market, especially for Ethereum, is still down. And then you have this resistance at 382. You have that major resistance around 1500. And I like the maximum what I could see from Ethereum, because usually Sunday evening or Monday morning, you do get pretty volatile moves. But the maximum I could see happening is that we break above the 382 fib, which is not actually what I expect, but this is really the maximum as I said, as I could see, and that will get up to this level around 1510, which is just a major resistance. We got the 50 EMA, 0.5 fib, a 236 fib, 382 fib of a major fib retracement. So I think we can get there, but I don't think we can break above that. And overall, I think the general sentiment in the market is still bearish. So I think it's even more likely that sure we might have some bullish momentum today. But ultimately that will fall back down towards 1430 and 1410. Now then, we haven't even talked about the inflation rate yet, which really complicates things, because usually, and that might be a blessing in disguise, usually the day before the inflation rate, we don't move a lot. You might have some movements, kind of moving the way in which we expect the inflation rate to go. But that's quite unpredictable. So I'll leave that for tomorrow, but I do want you to know that it's coming up. Tomorrow I'll make a update on what to expect for tomorrow in terms of the relation with the inflation rate. Tomorrow we hopefully also already know what's going to happen with the USDC and its repeg. And then the day afterwards, I'll do a full video fully focusing on the inflation rate and what it means for crypto. So keep an eye out for that. But for now, this is my take on Ethereum for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, enjoy your Sunday. Take care and bye.